ఓం 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 సాయేశ్వరాయ విద్మహే సత్యదేవాయ ధీమహి తన్నో సర్వ ప్రచోదయాత్. ఓం సాయేశ్వరాయ విద్మహే సత్యదేవాయ ధీమహి తన్నో సర్వ ప్రచోదయాత్. ఓం సాయేశ్వరాయ విద్మహే సత్యదేవాయ ధీమహి తన్నో సర్వ ప్రచోదయాత్. Om Sri Sai Ram. Dear devotees of Sri Satya Sai Baba, my namaskaras to you. I have availed and enjoyed a lot of blessings from Baba. He has given us a number of darshans. We are blessed to have that blissful moments. Now I submit a small poem of gratitude at his lotus feet. Sai Ram. Divine thoughts. Sai Ram, Sai Ram's Pranam. We have given a word to come and bow to you in Puttaparthi at the time of our Sadapti. Bless us to visit Parthi, the abode of our deity. Innumerable times we thank you. My running age is 75 years. My husband is going to touch 80 years in June 25. We are blessed with your grace. We are happy to be with you, Sai Ram. Invisible hands of our Baba guide us, guard us. My memories go back to years ago. Astonishment we had seeing you in orange robe in 1984. Floating on the floor, you blessed all with grace. Tears rolled down, unable to speak. We forgot our worries. We ignored our needs. Lips uttered, Sai Ram, Sai Ram. Nothing we prayed. Thoughtless moment we had. We were under your shelter. When we came home, wondered to see our desires fulfilled. Miseries vanished as sun-striken mist. Lotus of devotion bloomed in mind. Fragrance of Puttaparthi we felt. An elephant's strength we have as Satya Sai holds our hand. How many challenges, how many hurdles, so many problems, frequent ailments, everything vanished when we uttered Sai Ram, Sai Ram. We drank the nectar of Sai Darshan. Incredible miracles. Dropping of flowers from photos, appearance of honey, manifestation of vibhuti on photos, unexpected help, unimaginable success. We obtained all prosperity whenever we pray you. Ever grateful we are, Sai Ram, ready to serve you, determined to follow you. We ran a school in your name. Now we conduct pujas. We surrender unto you, Sai Ram. Thank you, dear Father Sai Ram. All along our journey, we hold your hand. Health, wealth, happiness, and long life you showered. O Divine Father, countless moments to remember. We will be yours forever. Sai Ram, Sai Ram, Sai Ram. ఓం సాయేశ్వరాయ విద్మహే సత్యదేవాయ ధీమహి తన్నో సర్వ ప్రచోదయాత్. எற்றைக்கும் ஏழேல் பிறவிக்கும் உன் தன்னோடு உற்றோமே ஆவோம். உமக்கே நாம் ஆட்செய்வோம் மற்றை நம் காமங்கள் மாற்றேலோர் எம்பாவாய். தேங்க்யூ சாய்ராம்.